Welcome to the channel. This is what to do if your toilet handle lever is just going round and round and your toilet won't flush. Hopefully we'll get this fixed for you fairly quickly and then you can have a nice cup of tea. For this job you may need a mini hacksaw and some screwdrivers and then a lever arm connection kit which you can get from your local plumber's merchant or a DIY store. We've got a brand new one here and also a spare that we already had. So this is what's happening. The flush lever is just going round and round and the toilet is not flushing at all. Carefully remove the toilet cistern lid. And that is the lever arm connection, and we can see the problem straight away. The plastic arm connector has split, so there is no grip on the flush arm. What you need to do is undo the locking screw anti-clockwise. Once that is done, then you can slide off the lever arm connection and uncouple it from the metal C-link.
Now try and get it off of there.
That is now removed and you can see the big split there. Give it a quick clean. The flush handle is intact, but if the flush handle is broken, you will need to replace that as well. And there is a link above now about how to do that, and we will put a link at the end of the video as well. This is comparing the old one to the new one. The new ones are a fixed length, so you may need to use a mini hacksaw to cut the end of it so that it fits inside your cistern. We've got this spare lever arm which we have cut to size already so that it will fit. The metal C-link needs to be directly above where it clips into the lever arm so that when it flushes it pulls it directly upwards. As an example, here if you don't cut the length it will get caught and won't flush. Now take your lever arm connector and hook it into the metal C-link. We've cut this one to size so we're going to hook it into the end hole. There are various holes, so pick one that the hole is directly above the flush mechanism. Now slide the lever arm connector onto that metal arm, making sure the flush lever is at the correct position for flushing. Make sure it's parallel with the flush mechanism so it doesn't pull it awkwardly. In your flush lever pack you should have got a small stainless steel screw. We're just going to coat this lightly with petroleum jelly to stop it corroding. Place the screw into that hole. Use your hands first, then tighten it clockwise with the screwdriver until it's nice and tight and locked in. This just prevents it moving about. Good, that's nice and tight. Now let's test it out and give the toilet a flush. Fabulous. Gently put the cistern lid back on, job done. We'll put some other useful links around the edge of the screen, including the video on how to replace the handle flush lever unit as well. We hope that was useful. Many thanks for watching.